Hi everyone, this is Amit Kumar Sarangi working as a senior application engineer at Conceptia Connect. Currently, almost all the growing industries are switching from on-premise solution to fully cloud solution, which is ultimately minimizing the hardware requirements and drastically reduce the IT overhead. So, here is the solution, that is 3D Experience platform, using which the user can do 3D modeling, sub-D modeling, sheet metal designing, etc. in a browser-based app, which is not required any sorts of installation. From marketing point of view, after designing any components, the representation also plays a very much important role, so that the user can easily visualize how the component is going to look like in the real life scenario. The component must be represented in such a way that it will grab all your customers' attention. Nowadays, seeing is believing, but the main challenges for creating marketing content is the departmental silos between design team and marketing team. Apart from this, the rendering requires very high graphics and specific hardware requirements for processing. Now the question comes, do we have any solution to address these challenges, or do we have any solution like desktop SolidWorks Visualize in the 3D Experience platform? Well, the answer is yes. In 3D Experience platform, X Studio is there, using which we can create stunning marketing content. This is a browser-based app which is not required any sorts of installation. Here the total rendering process done from the cloud, so user doesn't require any specific hardware. Now let me take you through the X Studio app. The X Studio enables makers, designers, technical salespeople and marketers to easily create relevant asset for every channel. Using this, the marketing content creation and product illustration can be done for everyone, everywhere at any time. Using this, the user can minimize the time to market by creating product launch content directly from the latest version of the 3D Experience tool. It enables everyone to create product communication content with an intuitive user experience at any time and on all devices directly in the web browser. For rendering in X Studio, the user doesn't require any specific hardware. It stores all your rendering products and interactive presentation in a centralized, secure, on cloud and access and manage it from any device. Using this, view, share, annotate, discuss, visualize product communication content from any device with the web browser. It also integrated with live camera facility so that the user can visualize how the final rendering is going to look like. Here, the user can create his own ambiances as for the desired lighting and background, so that he can keep on modifying until and unless he is not satisfied with the desired output. The user can keep on modifying the exposure and the rotation for the lighting, so that he can set it to an appropriate ratio which is suitable for the particular model. And this is how you can create your desired marketing content, and once it is done, you can just need to place it at its desired orientation and set its proper location and export it as an image file. So this is how you can create your desired stunning marketing content. Apart from this model I already created, there are several examples using the X Studio. Please have a look on it. So this is only the first impression video on X Studio. For more details, connect to our technical support team. Thank you.